What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. We're going to be going over in this video our weekly watch list, the top stocks, most volatile stocks that you should watch out for next week. So we're going to be starting out with the most anticipating earnings and the stocks that you should watch out for this week for earnings. There's not too many companies, but there's two in particular that we're going to be looking at. The first one's going to be Bed Bath & Beyond, and the second one going to be Micron Technology. So Bed Bath & Beyond is one of those high short interest stocks, but it doesn't have as much traction as, say, AMC, GameStop, BlackBerry, Wish, those sort of stocks. But Bed Bath & Beyond does have a higher than normal short interest, so you should definitely check it out, and especially for earnings. It's going to be very volatile. So as we can see, all of this price action is similar to all the other high short interest stocks that we've seen in the past. Yeah, keep your eyes on Bed Bath & Beyond for what happens next. So the next stock is going to be Micron Technology. So Micron Technology is a semiconductor company that develops and makes memory and storage solutions that are using cars, phones, and computers. So they're everywhere. And they have earnings Wednesday, June 30th, after the market closes. So keep your eyes out for Micron Technology. Pretty bullish on this stock. They should have some pretty good earnings, in my opinion. So that's going to be it for earnings. We're also going to be checking out SPCE, Virgin Galactic. In this company, they recently got the FAA to approve their company to actually fly customers into space, and that's why the stock has been soaring recently, because this is going to be very good for the company. It's going to allow them to fly customers into space and generate some revenue from that, which is their whole business model, commercial space flights. So keep your eyes out on Virgin Galactic. It's going to be pretty volatile, and I think in the long term, it's going to be a very good growth stock, especially since it's like one of the only space stocks out on the stock market for public trading. So keep your eyes out for SPCE next week. And next, of course, we have the beloved AMC, very high short interest stock, and they actually have an increased short interest. It's increasing over the past week, so you want to keep your eyes out on AMC. And right now, it's in this consolidating phase, sitting around $55 mark, which is pretty good because the shorts don't really want the AMC to be this high, because then eventually they'll have to cover, and they don't want to cover at this big of a loss. So they're hoping the AMC is going to go down. But a lot of the retail investors, over 80% of retail investors, own AMC, and they're holding the line. I'm still holding my shares of AMC as well, and just going to ride it out. And the last stock on our list is going to be Wish, ContextLogic, and it's a trending Wall Street bets meme stock. So it has also pretty high short interest. It could have a possible short squeeze later on, but the short interest is pretty high. And recently, it's been doing pretty well. I'm holding 200 shares of Wish. And it's been doing really well for me. I bought it at around $10.91. It's currently at $14. So it's been on a nice little run up, and I think that sitting at $14, it's still at a pretty good and low price point, considering that its all-time highs was at around $32 early February. So it has a lot of room to grow, a lot of recovery left to do. So I am pretty bullish on Wish in the long term, especially considering how low it is at this price point. So these are the 5 stocks that you should keep your eyes out for next week. I think these are going to be very volatile. But that's about it for this video. If it helped you in any way, leave a like, comment down below what stocks you're watching for next week. And of course, subscribe if you're new here to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.